Introducing the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 PRO+ Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to revolutionize your home maintenance routine. With its innovative hands-free cleaning technology, versatile vacuuming and mopping capabilities, superior suction power, and advanced obstacle detection features, this device offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual vacuuming and mopping, and welcome a new era of automated cleaning excellence. Whether tackling hard floors or carpets, this vacuum cleaner ensures a thorough and hassle-free cleaning experience, leaving your home impeccably clean and pristine with minimal effort required. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Hands-free cleaning with self-empty station. This vacuum cleaner offers a convenient solution for maintaining cleanliness with its self-empty station feature. This innovative functionality automates the emptying process of the dustbin, eliminating the need for manual intervention for up to 30 days. Additionally, the disposable dust bag within the station has ample capacity to accommodate months of accumulated dirt and debris, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning performance. The inclusion of a spare dust bag further enhances the user experience by providing extended usage without the hassle of frequently replacing bags. Number 2. Vacuuming and Ozmo mopping in one go. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its versatility in cleaning tasks. By seamlessly transitioning between vacuuming and mopping functions, it offers comprehensive cleaning solutions for various floor types. Moreover, the intelligent carpet detection capability enables the device to avoid carpets while mopping hard floors, preventing any potential damage or inconvenience. The ability to double suction power when vacuuming carpets ensures thorough cleaning and optimal performance across different surfaces, enhancing overall cleaning efficacy. Number 3. Superior 2,600 Pascal suction for effective cleaning. Equipped with superior 2,600 Pascal suction power, this vacuum cleaner efficiently draws out dirt and dust from both hard floors and carpets, delivering a deep and thorough cleaning experience. This powerful suction capability enables the device to effectively tackle dirt and debris even from hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a pristine and hygienic living environment. Despite its robust performance, this vacuum cleaner maintains low noise levels, allowing for hassle-free cleaning without causing disturbances. Number 4. Hassle-free cleaning with TrueDetect technology. The integration of TrueDetect technology sets this vacuum cleaner apart by enhancing its navigation and obstacle avoidance capabilities. Leveraging laser-based 3D technology, the device can accurately detect and avoid objects such as cables, slippers, and pet messes, minimizing the risk of getting stuck or encountering obstacles during cleaning operations. This advanced feature not only ensures a seamless cleaning experience, but also contributes to the longevity and durability of the device by preventing potential damage from collisions. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.9 inches length by 13.9 inches width by 3.69 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 PRO+ Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a remarkable cleaning companion, offering unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and effectiveness. With its hands-free operation, dual vacuuming and mopping functionality, powerful suction, and advanced obstacle detection technology, it streamlines the cleaning process and delivers exceptional results. Say goodbye to the tedious chore of manual cleaning and embrace the future of automated home maintenance with this vacuum cleaner. Whether you're seeking convenience, performance, or versatility, this innovative device exceeds expectations, making it a must-have addition to any modern household. Experience the difference and elevate your cleaning routine today. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know, when these things might go on sale.